Are you looking to generate more leads or sales for your business? In this video, I'm going to show you a way which we use for ourselves and also help our clients to achieve just that. Hello, my name is Ozair and thanks for joining in. So if you're struggling to generate leads or sales for your business and don't have the cash to spend money on ads, here's a way where you can generate high quality leads and also traffic for your website. And that is by blogging, creating high quality content like this one, creating a video for your website and driving traffic to your website. This is something which you need to do consistently and regularly, because it's not just a case of uploading a video once a week or once a month. The more you do it, the better the results are going to be, or faster the results you're going to achieve. Because it's like going to the gym. You sign up to the gym, pay all the membership, you go once a month. And then after 5 months, you won't achieve the results, won't get the fitness or the six pack or lose the weight or achieve your goals. All you're going to say is, oh, it's a scam. It doesn't work. I've paid all this money for no results. But you need to do this. You can't just have the membership. You've got to go to the gym. And the same thing applies here. You have a website, but you don't have any traffic and you don't upload any blogs. And this is why you don't have anybody coming to your site. So there's no point in having a website and thinking everybody is going to come to my site and sign up to what I've got to offer. Absolutely not. You got to convince them first. Build that trust. Let them know you, like you, and trust you. And then the sales are going to happen. So we use this strategy for ourselves. And we have been using this strategy for a long, long time because it works. A lot of people ask me, why do you create so much content? And it is for this reason. The more I go to the gym, the more fitter I'm going to be. Think of Google front page or page one like a boxing match. Everybody wants to be number one, right at the top, right? If I see some other website above mine, I'm going to tell my team, why are they above us? Knock them down, bring our site up. So it's a constant struggle. And even if you hit number one, that's where the actual work starts. It's not a case of, yeah, you go hit number one and you're going to stay there. No, the rest of the world is going to come after your number one. Just like a tennis player, once he or she becomes number one, all the rest of the pack are going to go after him or her because they want to be number one. So the hard work starts literally when you hit number one. The hardest work, I should say. So uploading content regularly is going to make my website like a heavyweight boxer like Mike Tyson. Because if all the other websites are like lightweight or amateur boxers, no matter how many punches they throw at me, I'm not going to go down. But one punch from me on them, and they're going to be on the floor, and they will stay there on the floor. That is exactly why we create content in images, text, and video form. Consistently, if you go to our website on our blog, you will see pretty much every working day of the week, we upload one blog. Multiple times we post videos on our social channels. And that is the reason why. So the more we upload, it's like the more we go to the gym, the more stronger we are going to be. So how do we achieve this? So let's dive into the 5 key points as to how you too can generate high quality leads by doing this activity, which is blogging. So the first of all, before you start any content, you got to know your customer or your client. And that is by using or creating a customer avatar or a buyer persona. You got to know the deepest pain points, what keeps them up at night, what are the challenges, what are they struggling with, what are they trying to achieve, what are the goals, and how do they search online. Because when they go to Google and search online and you pop up and they see what you've got, likelihood is they're going to click on that link and they come to your website or your blog. So knowing this is critical. Do not skip this step. Building up a customer persona is not very difficult. You can use ChatGPTs, get help from all the AI platforms, build up a really good persona, and then create it. So it's kind of like we are reverse engineering our content. Then the second thing is targeting the intent-rich keywords. What I mean by intent-rich is you got to have intent in the what they're searching for. So don't just say photography, say wedding photographer London, because somebody is looking for a wedding photographer in London. And that is what I mean by intent-rich keywords. So you got to focus on that. Don't try to go after high volume keywords because there's no intent on it. The long tail keywords with 3 or more words in a phrase has got less volume, less competition, and higher intent. And that is where you're going to get the leads or the clients, because that's what they're actively searching for, that pain point or the solution to their problem. Then the next thing is to craft content that converts. So use clear structure, compelling stories, and solve real problems. So your content has got to solve their problem. Otherwise, they will not convert. And the content has to be high quality as well. The next thing is to create irresistible lead magnets. Why should they give their name and email to you? If you make a little box on your website or blog, sign up to our newsletter. Nobody wakes up saying, oh, I'm going to sign up to somebody's newsletter today. No, but if you have a really irresistible, attractive lead magnet and they're reading your content and pops your pop-up, or while they're scrolling, the little box comes up with your lead magnet offer, they're more likely to sign up. So it could be a guide, it could be a cheat sheet, it could be a checklist, it could be a template, something valuable, but you don't have to make that lead magnet like a book. Lead magnet should be able to consume within 5 minutes. So make it consumable. And the last thing is the call to action. You got to tell them what you want them to do. Sign up now, download, buy, get your coupon code. Whatever the call to action is, you got to encourage them to take that call to action. Otherwise, they're not going to take it. It's not a case of, here I am, yeah, take it. No, you got to tell them. Got to clearly state the benefit and get them to click on that form or a button, sign up, and take that call to action which you want them to take. So hope this little video helped you solve this problem of getting visitors to your website and not generating leads, and how you can easily and quickly change this by making these little tweaks. And it doesn't take long, it's not complicated. And just by doing what I've just shown you in the last 10 minutes or so, you'll be able to increase your conversion rates. So hope this helped. I truly appreciate if you could give it a little like, thumbs up, and a subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.